Kubota tractor starting problems, troubleshooting, checking switches.
This is a small Kubota tractor. Many times we go to start it, pushing the clutch in and turning the key, and nothing. You hear a little click, but nothing when you go to start the ignition. A lot of times it's this lever right here, which your PTO is engaged. And you can disengage it, and it'll start right up. Now sometimes I found that it doesn't start up even when this PTO is disengaged, and that could be another problem, and I'll show you what that could be. That's it. Sometimes when you go to start the tractor, it doesn't start because the pedal is depressed. That would mean that the tractor would be moving when you're starting it. So it has a safety switch in there so that when you are starting the tractor, it's in neutral only to start. However, sometimes you may have it in the neutral position and it won't start, and that's another problem, and I'll show you what that is next. There is a switch right in here that has to be in the neutral position, and sometimes all you have to do to get it to move into the neutral position is to put a little dab of CRC on it, like this. If I can get my finger on it. And that's it, and it should then help it start up by making sure that the contact is in the neutral position.
This video was produced at Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, and these are our green giant arborvitaes. Call us for your screening tree needs at 215-651-8329.